dolphin just coming cruising in, saying hello to me. What's going on, legends? Yes, we're out again, and this episode I am in the middle of the ocean. We're probably about maybe 700 meters out so far. We're gonna head out a few K, chasing tuna. Shout out to Jordan's SA Fishing, absolute champion. Check out his page, his channel. He's got a lot of squid fishing, a lot of techniques. But yeah, we're out chasing the tunas today. We've been paddling around in these kayaks in circles. They're not great, but yeah, we're just paddling, gonna paddle out as far as we can, try and find a bust up or something. Jordan's got a few squid this morning, so he's frothing. But yeah, let's go. Forgot my sunnies, so I'm gonna be squinting. Got no sunscreen, so yeah. Oh yeah, and I've snapped a rod. Jordan snapped a rod this morning as well, so yeah, started off great, but let's crack on. Come on. Bloody legs are burning. Been going flat out for a little while now. Same with George. He's said he's struggling a little bit, but yeah, when we get out to the zone, we just wait and drift, wait for a bust up. Maybe send a drone up, find a bust up. But we're not getting anywhere fast, that's for sure, or straight. So yeah, this has just happened.
Do you have any duct tape?
So Ollie is smashing it already. We've just got out to the spot, the zone. We're in 18 meters of water, and yeah.
Sort of felt red mullety at the start. Whiting.
Oh yeah, nice.
Where's my net? Knew it felt like a whiting.
Oh yeah, lovely.
There you go.
Ripper. Nice. The old snap rod. Oh, he's just come up on it. Yeah, little one. Calm down, laddie. Calm down, mate. Oh, he's proper savage, that. See you, buddy. Getting bigger. See you, buddy. Oh, what are these things? Them similar things to a snook? Nah, more silver.
Barracuda?
I reckon it. Yeah, I reckon that is. It's not the proper barracudas.
Barracuda.
Oh, barracuda. Yeah. Actually, that's what I see it was. Someone caught one of them on Facebook the other day. Yeah. That hit a bit harder than the snook.
Did it bite any harder?
Yeah, a little bit. Weird looking things.
How the fuck is there undersized King George whiting out here?
Can see some birds over there. We are inbound, full bunters at 7 kilometers flat out. maybe pushing 8. The old marine park boat there, making sure everyone's doing the right thing. Hopefully they don't come and bother us.
There's one down at Rapid Bay, isn't there? You're right on the boundary. Oh, we right on the boundary? Right on the boundary, okay. Yeah. Any further that way, you're inside. Alright, no worries. Thank you. I knew it was close to Rapid Bay, but yeah. It goes out to 6.5 k's. Okay. That's big one. You've got charts on that little sounder there? Yeah. Yeah, they should be on that. I haven't got charts. I've got a chart plotter, but not a GPS. Yeah, okay. So, and also, if you've got mobile phone on you, yeah. There's you can get the app on your phone there. Yeah, so I've got the app. I knew it was at Rapid Bay, but I thought it was part of the other side of the cliff. Or it wraps all the way around, goes out, includes the mobile. Quite a big one, but you stay this side, you're sweet. No worries, thanks.
Thanks, pal.
Oh, not today, no. This bunch is not that. Thousands of them, you can't get away from them. Yeah, okay. That might seem to pick up pretty quick too when you saw you guys. Definitely, yeah.
The hunt again. Seen tuna jump straight out there. So we are on the hunt. Pursuit number 3. We're over there. We can see the tuna. Come on. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling the burn. But come on. Trolling whilst we're just plodding around. But come on. Let's go. Alright, I'm just paddling around, trawling. Probably going about 4 k's. Not going quick at all. Need to be going a little bit quicker, but boys are way over there. Trying to find these schools. Ollie got close then, but a boat went straight through the middle, and he was about 10 metres off casting into him. The school went straight through the middle. But you can't ask for much more. Place number 4 or 5. There's a school out here. And back this way, one sideways. Yeah, alright, so yeah, we're gonna go a K or so inland now and yeah, try and get some squid, some whiting, some snook, but yeah, there's not much out here, so yeah, we're gonna wait for that sun to just die off a little bit and come pump a few hours in later on. Alright, come on, fingers crossed, but let's go and get covered in ink. Yoo-hoo! We're almost there, not much further to go. I'm gonna go fishing about 4 or 5 meters of water, not 18. All right, so yeah, we're anchored up pretty close now. I'm just yeah, flicking for a few squid, try and get a bit of squid, but that mission was so hard. It was a mission. I reckon it took us what, an hour?
At least an hour and a half.
At least an hour and a half to get from out there back in. It was a nightmare. I can't feel my legs, my back, my spina bifida. That ain't no good. But yeah, let's get a couple of squid. Let's get all squid inked up and go from there. Just do. I think I got one. No, you're alright, I'll bring them to you. Yeah, definitely got one. Out the back there, bruz. See him? Just about to break the surface. Yeah, there's a big one behind. Yeah, that's perfect. I'll keep him in the water. Hey? Thought I saw one, bruz. I always leave him in the water as long as I can. nothing following. I might just get this one in, being the first one.
Get him in.
Fuck.
We'll be there out on the sides.
You wanna whack this one in your call bag?
I'll get you on the front.
I've got to start collecting bait for Salt Creek.
Yeah, I'm probably not going to keep it.
Oh. Is he just let him go?
Let go.
Nah. We're good. Because the rod's only half a rod, it's quite weird. Come on. Is there another one behind him? Oh yes, there is. Oh yes. There's loads behind him, bruz. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's a squid, yeah. I'm gonna take that one. Come on. He's trying to get me. Get that in the water. Where's that other one gone? Oh, he's got it, yes. Oh, there's two here, bro. Yeah. Come on. Leave him in the water. Where's the other one? That's a better one. Where's the other one? What is that? That's Ripper though.
Whatever it is, I've never seen it before.
Alright.
Won't be touching it either.
Get it back in the water. So it's just getting too rough. We're almost bloody right hugging the bank and we still can't get away from it. There's white caps out there, it's disgusting. And Ollie is not in sight. He's still, yeah, all the way out there. So yeah, we're not going to get out of the water until he's back. But yeah, don't know. Let's chase some squid in the shallows, I suppose. I think I just got a squid chilling here. Yes. Oh, nice. Good work. He's loved. Oh, you bastard. Twice. It was only water, I suppose. Alright, we got a handful of squid, couple of snook, and yeah, hopefully Ollie's got some tuna for us. Be awesome if he did. Grab the footage and yeah, throw it in this video. But yeah, we're going to turn this corner now, and it's going to get windy, choppy. It's going to be horrible. and these kayaks don't go very quick, so yeah, see you when we get around that corner. Where it all started about 6 hours ago. What a day, even though the wind's come up, we didn't get a tuna. Cannot complain about the squid, the company, and yeah, just being on the water. But yeah, we're going to keep squidding. We're just going to take the axe out of the water and then wait for Ollie to come in sight, because yeah, we still can't see him anywhere. But yeah, let's get out of here. Alright, we are back on dry land, and oh my days, it feels good. That was a mission, but stay with us because we're waiting on Ollie still. Has he got a tuna? Does he come back? Who knows? Ollie's back. We just saw him pull up in the boat ramp. It's getting kind of busy now. Alright, he's back. Been missing for 3 hours or so, taking on gusts of, I would say, probably 30 k's out there. It was pretty gusty, but yeah, no tuna unfortunately, but he did get a snapper on the whiting rod, which you cannot complain about.
74 centimetre snapper too.
74 centimetres. I might pinch a little bit of footage and just throw it in here from him fighting it now. And yeah, shout out to Ollie. What's your YouTube?
Ollie Squidding.
Ollie Squidding. He's an absolute champion. He knows what he's doing. He's got all the gear. Alright, yeah, she didn't get much of a fight as per usual. GoPro malfunctions as always, story of my life. But yeah, check out his YouTube, Ollie Squidding. He's an absolute legend. Check out Jordan's SA Fishing. And I reckon that's it. You know the score. Like, subscribe, keep the beaches clean, and ciao for now.